Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to log out of your TikTok account on your iPhone or Android. To do this, you go into the app. Next, you tap on the profile. You will not log out of the profile if you press the profile button. You need to go to the three bars and go down here and select Log Out. If you select this option, you log out of your TikTok profile completely. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.